Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Are you an overseas dentist planning on coming to the UK and working here as a therapist or a hygienist? Or are you a dentist who's planning on sitting your ORE examination but unable to pass or get selected for the examination? Well, a lot of overseas dentists choose to apply and register as a DCP or dental care professional for the interim period. If you are one of those dentists, then continue watching this video and we will provide a 5-step guide into how this process works and give you a step-by-step instruction. Step 1. So this video will only be relevant to you if you meet the following criteria. You have never previously registered with the GDC and you hold a dental degree from another country, non-EU. We have also provided a link to the GDC website and this will take you directly to the route to registration webpage of the GDC. Step 2. Contact the GDC and request an assessment application form or a pro forma. You must make a request on the GDC's website. You can use this external link to navigate directly to the relevant page on the GDC's website for your convenience. Then choose the route to register option. Please keep in mind that you will be required to submit the online pro forma once you've finished it. The GDC will assess the information you submit and you will be advised via email of the appropriate application form and guidelines you need to complete to seek to register with the GDC. At least allow 10 working days for the GDC to examine the details and deliver the assessment application bundle via email. Despite the GDC's claim of 10 working days, we've seen them provided as little as 1 to 2 days. Step number 3. What documents do I need to provide with my application for registration as a dental hygienist or a therapist? You will need to transmit the following documentation to the GDC. Number 1. A filled out application form. This includes a character reference form. 2. A completed learning outcomes from a certified copy of your BDS or dental qualification certificate. Number 3. A certified copy of the syllabus curriculum from the university or college where you graduated from. Number 4. A certified copy of the transcript or mark sheets for your course, certificates, evidence of relevant training courses, and CPD evidence that you have the required English language standard for registration. Number 5. Evidence of any appropriate postgraduate qualification, references from employers relating to your expertise and knowledge as a dental care professional. 6. A certified copy of your current passport clearly exhibiting your portrait and personal information as well as the document's expiration date. 7. A passport-sized photograph of yourself with your character referee signature on the reverse. 8. A current professional standing certificate. 9. If you're married, a certified copy of your change of name document, translations of documents not issued in English. Number 9. A photocopy of the entire application. Fill out the various forms. Step 4. Fill out the other various forms. So number 1 is the learning outcomes form. The DCP assessment team of the GDC will send you an email with 4 to 5 items attached. The first form is the form of learning outcomes. The learning outcomes form is the most difficult part of this process. To fill out this form, you'll need your entire university syllabus or program. This form is extremely comprehensive and you must carefully complete all of the learning outcomes for either registering as a therapist or a hygienist. You must ensure that your qualification is complete and that all training and CPD requirements are met in order to close any gaps in your course. One thing to keep in mind is that if you do not completely fill out this form, the GDC will very certainly reject your application. Number 2. Certificate of Good Standing form. Your dental council or medical council, depending on where you are registered as a dentist, must complete this form. Number 3. Professional reference form. A prior or present employer in the relevant dentistry field must complete this form. Number 4. Certificate of Good Standing form. Your dental council or medical council, depending upon where you are registered as a dentist, must complete this form. Step 5. How long will it take for the GDC to register an application form for DCPs? When the GDC accepts your application, it will take the following steps. Within 5 days, the GDC will send you an email to confirm receipt of your application. Within 4 weeks after receiving the application pack, the GDC will review your application and papers. If there's a problem with your application, the GDC will contact you This could include returning your application if it's considered incomplete. If everything goes well, the GDC will forward your application to the next available evaluation panel if it meets the requirements. The GDC will then notify you of their decision on your application after the assessment panel has completed its work in writing, so you'll get a letter by post. Well, thank you very much for listening. If you found the presentation beneficial, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and we'll be bringing more videos for you in the future. Take care, bye now.